Woohoo! You made it to day 2 of your math obstacle race. I need you to get a dry erase marker and the piece of paper that has the 5 group dots like you see in front of you. Pause the video to get your materials. Great job! Now, with your dry erase marker, I want you to write this number sentence underneath your 5 group dots. So you're going to write 9 equals, you're going to draw a line for a blank plus blank. Ooh, friends, we have some mystery boxes here, some missing numbers. Let's see how we're going to solve this problem today. Look at the 5 group dot picture. How can you use these dots to help you fill in the equation? I want you to use the dots now to finish the number sentence. Take a picture on Seesaw of your number sentence with your 5 group dots. See you at the next obstacle.